Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, October 5th, 2020. Please join me as we say the Pledge of Allegiance and have a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today is Thoughtful Tuesday. On this day, remember you are braver than you believe, you are stronger than you seem, and you are smarter than you think. We have a lot of students who have started a brand new school this week, and that is a super brave thing to do. So, keep on being brave, keep on being strong, and keep on being smart. And that is our thought for Thoughtful Tuesday. Today's breakfast menu is ham and cheese croissant, jelly and jam, fruit, juice, and milk. Today for lunch we will have chicken bites, roll, carrots, fruit, juice, and milk. We want to wish a big happy birthday to Aaliyah Frank and Rhett Miller. Happy birthday! For today's announcements, teachers, please review our new arrival and dismissal procedures to students. Students, you need to work on learning your new car line numbers. Remember yesterday we called out the number for your family instead of calling out your name. You and your brother and sisters will all be called together for the same number. One more thing, students, also please be sure that you are keeping yourself and all your friends safe and well. Wear your mask, cough or sneeze in your elbow, and wash those hands. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday.